Thank you for choosing Sun Farm Channel today. Let's explore the wonderful world of beef and chicken processing lines together. Today, let's delve into the fascinating aspects of beef and chicken processing lines. Firstly, let's understand the demand for these two types of meat in today's market. As we all know, the demand for both chicken and beef is significant worldwide. To meet consumer demand, many farmers have boldly invested in developing models for raising and slaughtering chickens for meat and raising large herds of cattle. This activity not only yields high economic efficiency, but also creates a large number of jobs for workers. Now let's dive into the chicken farms and the chicken processing process. The global demand for chicken meat is increasing significantly, reflecting changes in culinary tastes and nutritional needs. Recent statistics forecast that the demand for chicken meat will continue to rise in the coming decade. In developed economies, the demand for chicken meat is also increasing due to the popularity of chicken dishes and the recognition of the benefits of chicken meat in a balanced diet. Chicken farms are where modern development and meticulous care come together. Stepping in, you'll be amazed by the modernity and well-organized structure. Rows of chicken coops are sturdy and spacious enough to accommodate millions of chickens, each cared for with as much attention as one would for themselves. Natural light is optimized, and space is scientifically arranged to ensure healthy growth and maximum productivity for each chicken. It's a home where technological advancements combine with care for the health and quality of the chickens, creating an efficient and sustainable chicken farming environment. About 70% of the chickens on the planet are raised for meat and rapid weight gain. The lifespan of meat-raised chickens is very short, only about 5 to 7 weeks. Modern breeds of chickens are twice the size of medieval chickens because they are raised solely for rapid weight gain. The growth rate of chickens has skyrocketed since the latter half of the 20th century. To raise chickens for productivity and quality, chicken coops must be built to standard. The coop is where chickens sleep and seek shelter from the weather, so it must be sturdy. Farmers need to choose a location far from residential areas and away from rivers to open a farm, because chicken manure often has a very unpleasant smell. If they are raised near residential areas, it will affect the urban environment, and in the event of a disease outbreak, it will spread easily and be difficult to control. After incubating millions of eggs, they are raised and exported worldwide. When they meet the standards, they are lined up for the purpose of arranging the chickens. There's no exaggeration in saying that this is the age of chickens. Chicken eggs are currently incubated in incubators with optimal temperature and humidity. Immediately after the chickens hatch, they are placed in a bright coop to optimize feeding time. The appropriate density is from 20 to 25 chickens per square meter, for newly hatched chickens from 2 to 4 weeks old, from 8 to 10 chickens per square meter for chickens from 1 to 2 months old, or chickens from 1 to 2 months old. Need an additional heating system on cold weather days. If it's a chicken breed, prepare a separate area, equipped with a full heating system to keep the chicks warm from the cold. In the factory, the process of raising mature chickens is meticulously and detailedly organized step by step. First, the chickens are carefully selected from the larval stage, then transferred to the holding coops with ideal living conditions. The coops are specially designed to ensure the most comfort and best health for the chickens. Clean water and feed are provided regularly and ensure quality, helping chickens grow healthy. Every step of the chicken raising process is closely monitored and adjusted over time. Professional staff check the health and living conditions of the chickens daily, ensuring no issues arise. Any signs of illness or abnormalities are detected and dealt with promptly. Additionally, the living environment of the chickens is also meticulously controlled, including light, temperature, and humidity, to ensure optimal development and health. Thanks to such careful management and meticulous care, chickens raised in the factory not only grow robustly, but also ensure quality and safety for consumers. Alongside that, regulations on waste processing and environmental protection are strictly adhered to, with the application of effective recycling and waste treatment measures to minimize negative impacts on the environment. In summary, the chicken processing plant operates under strict supervision of regulations and stringent standards, ensuring that the final product meets the highest requirements for safety and food hygiene. The chicken meat processing line in the factory operates smoothly and efficiently step by step. First, after the chickens are carefully selected and slaughtered, they are put on the production line to undergo the cleaning and preparation process. Professional workers remove unwanted parts and clean the surface of the chickens. Next, the chickens are passed through electric stunning machines to make them unconscious quickly and painlessly. Then, the chickens are hung up and transferred to cutting machines to undergo separation, removing unwanted parts like skin and other abnormal parts of the meat. After being cleaned and trimmed, the chicken meat is transferred to processing machines to separate each part of the meat, such as wings, thighs, and breasts. Each piece of meat is processed carefully and meticulously to ensure the highest quality and food safety. Finally, after going through the processing steps, the chicken meat is packaged according to the standard and prepared ready to be transported to stores and supermarkets. The chicken processing line operates continuously and smoothly, ensuring the final product meets the requirements for quality and food safety. Thanks to careful care and machinery technology, the slaughter time has been shortened, so the risk of infection is very low. At the same time, the main operating parameters of the production line are adjusted automatically and semi-automatically, thus improving product quality. Each part of the chicken is processed, arranged, and packaged neatly, separately according to consumption purposes. The quality of chicken meat at processing plants is ensured through a smooth and rigorous production process. First, the chickens are selected from reputable farms, where they are cared for and nourished properly to ensure their health and meat quality. After arriving at the factory, each chicken is thoroughly checked to ensure they do not carry any diseases or signs of abnormalities. The slaughtering process is carried out quickly and painlessly, ensuring humanity and respect for animals. After the chickens are slaughtered, the meat is carefully handled and processed to remove unwanted parts and ensure cleanliness. This process includes removing skin, feathers, and any other dirt. After being processed, the chicken meat is carefully and standardly packaged to ensure food safety. The chicken meat packages are thoroughly checked before being shipped to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. Chicken meat exported to other countries is processed and packaged carefully to ensure quality and food safety. After processing, the chicken meat is packed in professional packaging, ensuring safe preservation and transportation by sea or air. These packages are often designed to keep the chicken meat fresh and intact during transportation. Before export, chicken meat must undergo strict quality control procedures from food quality control agencies. These checks include ensuring that the chicken meat meets the food safety and quality standards set by the importing country. After passing the quality checks and controls, the chicken meat is ready to be exported to markets around the world. Confidence in the quality and safety of chicken meat has made it a popular and preferred product in the international market. And now, let's follow Sun Farm to the beef processing line to see if there are any differences from the chicken processing process. Similarly to chicken processing plants, all activities in beef processing plants adhere to the strictest regulations to ensure the highest safety and quality for the product. Let's now explore the beef processing line to see the differences and similarities. Each area of the factory is carefully arranged, with work areas clearly defined and divided into sections. Work tools and equipment must be cleaned and disinfected periodically to prevent the spread of bacteria and disease. Food safety and quality inspection procedures are carried out on a strict schedule, from checking the quality of incoming meat to checking the quality of the final product before packaging and shipping. Alarms and temperature charts are carefully monitored to ensure food is stored in ideal conditions. At the cow processing plant, the cow slaughter process is carried out quickly and accurately, usually taking only a few minutes for each cow. This ensures humanity and minimal pain for the animals. Then, the time from when the cow is brought into the factory until the meat is prepared for processing is usually short, ensuring the freshness and quality of the beef product. In the large space of the beef maker, virtual lanterns illuminate, creating a mysterious yet vibrant atmosphere. The manufacturer's product line is developed meticulously and scientifically, starting from the work of bringing raw beef blocks from the storage area to the processing line. Here, professionally trained technical workers break down blocks of meat into bite-sized pieces, adhering to strict quality standards. Under the direction of modern machinery, from saws to presses, each slicing step is performed accurately and quickly. Next, the prepared meat pieces are transferred to the high-temperature oven compartments. Here, they will undergo the baking process evenly and perfectly. Technicians are responsible for configuring and adjusting the temperature and cooking time to ensure the beef is cooked while still retaining its moisture and natural flavor. Finally, the fresh beef balls are carefully packaged in clean packaging, ready to be delivered everywhere. The beef processing process at the large factory is not only a combination of technology and human ingenuity, but also a deep understanding of food quality and safety, promising to bring products high-quality beef for diners around the world. The process of exporting beef is a complex process and requires careful preparation from choosing meat sources to meeting transportation and export standards. At beef processing plants, meat after being produced will be quality checked, packaged, and marked according to international regulations. This process not only focuses on ensuring meat meets food safety standards, but also ensures freshness and meets transportation and storage requirements. From there, beef is transported to seaports or airports to prepare for export. Here, logistics and customs experts will carry out the necessary procedures to ensure the export process goes smoothly and complies with legal regulations. Ultimately, the beef will be shipped to destinations around the world, meeting international consumption demand and helping to enhance the market value of the country's beef industry. Thank you for watching our video today. How do you feel about it? Please leave your comments below so we can know. Don't forget to share this video with your community. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support Sun Farm and get more interesting videos. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.